Right, what we're going to be doing today is fixing a kit that I've got for repairing tyres while I'm out on the road. I do get the one or two punctures, and these are a lifesaver of these. Basically, we've got a threading kit that puts these strips into the hole of the tyre, and this kit I've got, the handle's actually broken off, so I'm going to replace it with this metal bar. It looks a bit overkill, but when it's at the rear, when you can't get any steer on the wheel, I'm thinking a big bar like that welded to this instead of the plastic, which is broken off as you can see, is going to give you a bit more leeway to get it threaded in. So let's see if we can get it repaired and working a bit better. So let's get this broken bit of plastic off, get it in the vise. Right, that's that bit of broken handle off. We'll just go at a measurement on here, get it halfway. Get the welder on. And get it tacked on. Should hold it a bit better. We'll just give it a tidy up with grinder. Right, we've got a decent handle on there now. Like I say, it looks a bit overkill, but I'm pretty certain that's going to help push that through the tyre. You know, you've got a bit of weight behind it now. So I'm just going to demonstrate now how these bits of kit work. Right, we're going to get the tyre inflated and find this hole. It was a biggish hole. It was a stone what was stuck in this one, so won't be a problem finding it. Right, we found the culprit. As you can see. So we'll get our okay, we found the culprit. We're going to get the reamer in and just roughen it up a bit. Then we're going to get one of these rubber strips, and they come in packs of 6 or 5s and what have you, and so we'll pull one of them off, get plenty of glue on it, thread it into our needle and push it in. Bit messy are these things, sticky, which is what you want, and it's going to stick well obviously, so pop that through the needle. These are biggish, these are the bigger ones, the thicker ones as well. You can get thinner ones, but I'm thinking that these are going to stay in a bit better. So you just thread it on like that, and I got a big tub of vulcanizing glue. you just get like a little tube with the kits. I bought a decent tin of this stuff, so I'll get plenty of that on. Once you've threaded it on, and then just leave that to go a bit tacky, just like when you're doing a puncture repair with patches. Right, let's get this elastic band in, this rubber band in, and get it sealed. So it's just a case of finding the hole and just shove it in. Takes a bit of force. There we go. We're in. Then just pull that out. There you go. We're sealed. Right, we should be sealed now. We'll get it pumped up. And obviously just spray around and make sure I've got no leaks, but that looks like she's sealed. Right, we're up to pressure. Just give a spray with soapy water. No bubbles, nothing. Just give that a trim off. And we're good to go.